Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day today. So in this video, we're going to be going over the new Dollar General digital coupons. I'm going to show you guys what the best deals are and which coupons that you need to make sure that you have clipped to your account. And I also want to say thank you guys so much for all of your support, because on May 13th, we hit 9,000 subscribers. I told you guys in a previous video that I wanted to hit 10K before the month of May is over. So we are really close to hitting that goal. So thank you all so much for all of your support. Thank you so much for sharing my videos and getting the word out there. So with that being said, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video or make a post. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. I'm going to show you which coupons I'm clipping to my account. Now I'm not going to go through and tell you all of the coupon matchups, but I am going to tell you the best deals. That way you can make sure you have these coupons clipped to your account as well. And then in the next couple of days, I will do a good deals and glitch list video where we'll have visuals, maybe do a quick $5 challenge. We'll just see what happens. But for today, we're going to make sure that we clip our coupons, and I recommend, if you're new to Dollar General, I always sign into the website to clip my coupons. That way, if you pull up the app, you kind of have to keep refreshing it to see the new coupons pop up. If you sign into the website, they all show up at once. So just a little bit of a time saver there. So here we go. We have 2 off of the DG Health pads or liners. If you pick up the 24 count pads, they're priced at $4. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2. Or you can pick up the 108 count liners. They're priced at $5.25. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3.25. Next up, we have a Scott coupon. Now, we also have instant savings. I believe it's changed. It is now spend 20 on Scott, Cotton Elviva, or Kleenex products, and you'll instantly save 4 at the register. But for this coupon, this is working on the 6 count Scott bath tissue. It's priced at $3, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2. Or you could also pick up the 12 count. It's priced at $5, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $4. But you can stack that with the instant savings deal if you want to get $20 worth of Scott, Cotton Elviva, and Kleenex, and then use that coupon to make your out-of-pocket even lower. That might be a really good deal. Next up, we have 1 off 2 for the Nabisco cookies or crackers. So the Wheat Thins or Triscuit crackers are priced at $2. So if you pick up 2 boxes of those, use this coupon. That'll leave you paying $3 for 2. Next up, we have $3.05 off of the Kingsford charcoal. So if you pick up the 16-pound bags, they are priced at $12. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $8.95. And we also have DG rewards that will go along with that. So that could turn out to be a really good deal as well. Moving on down here, we have Ziploc, 1 off 2 for the Ziploc bags. Now, at least from home, this is only attaching to the $5 boxes. You may get in store and scan to see if it will attach to any of the lower priced Ziploc bags. For now, this is attaching to the $5 boxes. This is the 36 count Ziploc bags. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $10. We have this 1 off 2 coupon, plus we have a spend 6, instantly save $1 at the register instant savings deal. So if you pick up 2 of those at $10, use the instant savings plus this coupon. That will leave you paying $8 for 2 of the 36 count bags. Alright, moving on down, we have $1.50 off of the Angel Soft toilet paper. So you can pick up the 12 mega rolls. They're priced at $11. That'll leave you paying at $9.50 out of pocket after the coupon. Or you can pick up the 24 count that's priced at $9.95 after the coupon. That will leave you paying $8.45. Next up is a really good deal on the canine carryouts. We have 1 off 3 bags. These are only priced at $1 each. So if you pick up 3, that's going to put you at $3 after the coupon. That'll leave you paying $2 for 3 bags. Next up, here's one you want to watch out for. We have 2 off 1 for the Colgate Renewal toothpaste. Now, we do have a higher value coupon of a 3 off 1. So if you still have that higher value coupon on your account, you may not want to clip this 2 off 1. These toothpaste are priced at $7. So after this $2 coupon is applied, that'll leave you paying $5. If you still have the $3 coupon, that'll leave you paying $4. Next up, we have a buy 3, get 1 free on the Knorr sides. So you want to pick up 3 of the Knorr sides and you'll get 1 Clover Valley canned food for free. Now, that will leave you paying $3 for all 4 products. But what I did notice is the Clover Valley corn and green beans are on sale, 2 for $1 this week. So we'll have to see what I can come up with in the store, but just keep that in mind as well, that they are on sale 2 for $1 on the corn and the green beans. Alright, so next up we have the 2 off 1 for the banana boat. These are a little bit pricey. I think they're $8, but we'll go ahead and clip that. And then we have 2 off 1 for the Purex 4-in-1 packs, 15 count. These are $3, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying just $1. So that is an awesome deal. Alright, we've got some pull-ups. Here's another bath tissue deal. So if you want to pick up the True Living bath tissue 32 count, those are priced at $9.50. After the coupon, that will leave you paying $8.50. We have another Finish coupon for 50 cents off 1. Now, this one is working on the 14 count Finish Max and 1 dishwasher tablets. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2.75. But if you want to get the larger packs of Finish, I think they're priced at $6.50. We do have higher value coupons for $1, $1.25, and $1.50 off 1. So just double check your account, see what you have, and then make up your mind whether you want to clip this 50 cent off 1, because this one does attach to the larger packs of Finish dishwasher tablets as well. Alright, moving on. We have $1.50 off 1 for the Milk Bones. Those are $4.95, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3.45. Here's a really good one. I haven't went and picked up my papers yet, but we have a $2 off when you spend $10 on Bayer products. So definitely go ahead and clip that. Always clip your DG store coupons because we can always stack those with manufacturer coupons normally. Now, last week we kind of had a hiccup with the big razor coupons, but that's kind of rare that really happens. But anyways, next up, another good deal on razors though. We have 4 off 1 for the Schick Hydro men's razors. These are priced at $10, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying $6. We have Energizer, Purina 1. Sorry guys, I'm just going over, trying to look at my notes and the screen at the same time. Next up, another really good deal. We have 1 off 1 for the Rexall Vitamin D 100 count or the Vitamin D 60 to 200 count. So if you want to pick up the Vitamin D 360 count, I'm not quite sure if that's a glitch or not. I will have to look at the details on that coupon to see if it's an actual glitch or not, but the Vitamin D 360 count are priced at $2, so after the coupon, that will leave you paying just $1. We have Lipton, Purina 1. Now, I could not get that to pull up a price for me in the app, so I have to double check at the store, but I'm sure that's a pretty good coupon. It's on the 2.8 pound bags. Now, those are usually, the Purina ones are like $5 or $6 each, so we'll have to see on that one. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris. There's some hair color products that are included in this. So these start out at $6.75. After the coupon, that will leave you paying $4.75. Here's a really good deal on some snacks. We have this Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish. So these are on sale this week. Buy 2, get 1 for free. Plus, we have this 1 off 2 coupon. So if you take advantage of the sale, pick up 3. Use this coupon. That'll leave you paying $3 for 3 bags. Here is an awesome deal. Now, if you guys missed out on a video that I posted a couple of weeks ago, I'll pop it up here on the screen and then I'll link it in the pinned comment down below. I did a video all about these pet food deals that are on sale at 40% off, and I have all of the visuals on that video, so go and watch that video if you haven't already, because it's not really a sale, it's a clearance. I've probably misspoke several times and told you guys it's a sale, but it is actually clearancing out. So specific dog foods are clearancing for 40% off, and there's some cat foods as well. So the Rachel Ray dry dog food 3-pound bags are priced at $3.60. So after this coupon, that will leave you paying just $1.60. Now we also still have paper coupons, I believe, as well, that will work on those. So if you're needing some dog food or cat food, double check your inserts too. Next up, we have really kind of a rare coupon. We don't get Dixie coupons very often at Dollar General, but we have 1 off 2 for the Dixie plates or bowls. So the Dixie plate 34 count 7-inch are priced at $2.50. If you pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $5. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4 for 2 or $2 each. Now, there is a sale going on the Dixie plates and bowls. They are on sale 3 for $6. So you can pick up 3, use this coupon, and that'll leave you paying $5 for 3. All right, we've got Poise. That coupon wasn't attaching to me, to anything in the app for me. Next up, we have 1 off 2 for the Splash 4-pack, I think it's water. Okay, so these are priced at $1.50 each. Picking up 2 puts you at $3. After the coupon, they'll leave you paying $2 for 2. So that's a pretty good deal. We have the Skintimate or Chic Women's Razors. So if you want to pick up the Skintimate Bloom Razor, it's priced at $8. That'll leave you paying $4 after the coupon. Or you can pick up the Chic Intuition Razor. That's priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, that'll make it $3.50. All right, moving on down, we have Quilted Northern. Kotex, 2 off 1. So if you want to pick up the Security Liners, they are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.25, and that is on a 50 count. Or you can pick up the U by Kotex tampons or pads. They're priced at $4, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2. Then we have Claritin 20 count, or the Claritin's Children item. So this coupon is working with and stacking with the DG store coupon for the Bayer products. So it's spend 10, save 2. So if you want to pick up the Claritin 20 count, these are priced at $16.50. After both of those coupons are applied, that will leave you paying $12.50. Next up, we have buy 2, get 1 free. So buy 2 of the Prego sauces and get a Barilla pasta for free. Now, this one was kind of a tricky one for me to figure out because there is also a sale going on. If you pull this up in the app, there's also a sale for buy 2, get 1 for free. So basically, if you add all 3 of these products to your list, you'll end up paying $2.60 for all 3 items. Now, I'm not quite sure how that is working out to be that, but like I said, we do have this coupon, plus we have a sale for buy 2, get 1 free as well. Next up, another good coupon, we have Colgate 3 off 2. So if you pick up 2 of the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are normally $2.75 each, but they're on sale again this week, 2 for $5. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $2 for 2 tubes of the Max Fresh toothpaste. All right, we have Ajax and Brawny paper towels, Suavitel. All right, so next up we have 1 off 1 for the All Free and Clear liquid or the Snuggle. So hopefully you guys stocked up last week when we had the 4 off 2 coupon on the All and Snuggle products. But if you didn't and you want to pick up some more this week maybe, the All Free and Clear 88 ounce is priced at $7, so that'll leave you paying $6. Or you can pick up the Snuggle 96 ounce, so that's the really big jugs. They're priced at $6.75, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $5.75. Then, of course, you want your 5 off 25 clipped. We have 1 off 1 on the Downy products. So those are priced at $4.50 after the coupon. That will leave you paying $3.50. I'm going to pass on that one. We have 2 off 1 for the Tide. So this one is glitching this week. If you want to pick up the regular red Tide, those are priced at $4.95. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2.95. If you want to take advantage of the glitch, this is working on the Tide Simply Pods. They're priced at $2.95. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying just 95 cents. So it's an awesome deal. We have 2 laundry deals that are $1 or less this week. So we have the Purex and the Tide. So really good deals. Alright, the crest coupon was not attaching for me at the house anyways. We have the 2 off 1 for the Downy. This is working on the larger ones. They're priced at $9.95. After the coupon, that'll be paying $7.95. We have 1 off 1 for the Breyers and Hershey's syrup. I couldn't get that to work either. Alright guys, so we're almost done here. We just have a few more coupons to go over. We have 1 off 2 for the Coca-Cola products. Now, sometimes this coupon does work on the Powerades, and we can stack the DG store coupon with the manufacturer, buy 3, get 1 for free. But as of right now, as far as I can tell, that is not working on the Powerades. But it is working on the Coca-Cola 20-ounce bottles and the Coca-Cola Zero or Coke Zero 16-ounce cans. Those are priced at just $1. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $1 for 2. Now, if you guys see that this is working on anything else, please leave it in the comments down below. It's really helpful, just because I can't keep up with every single deal and all of the changes and all of the deals that pop up throughout the week. So it's really helpful. If you guys see a deal and you want to share it, I really appreciate it if you leave it in the comment section. All right. So next up, here's another kind of a weird coupon. We have buy 2 12 packs of the Dr. Pepper cans, and you'll get a free 20-ounce Dr. Pepper Zero 20-ounce. So I made a couple notes on this deal as well. The Dr. Pepper 12 packs are $5.60 each. So if you pick up 2, that's going to put you at $11.20. But they are on sale this week, 3 for $12. So, to get a little bit more bang for your buck, if you want to use this coupon, go ahead and pick up 3 of the 12 packs. You're just going to pay 80 cents more and get a whole nother 12 pack of Dr. Pepper. So, pick up 3 for $12 and then you'll get that free 20-ounce Dr. Pepper Zero. Alright, moving on down, we have 1 off 1 for the Slim Fast and we have 2 off 1 for the Lubriderm lotions. So the 16-ounce is priced at $5.85 after the coupon. That will leave you paying just $3.85. So that's a really good deal. And we have 3 off 1 for the Iams dry dog food bag. And it does say any size. But like I said, from home at least, this is only working on the 11-pound bags. I will scan it in store to see if we can see if it's attaching to anything else. But as of right now, it's working on the 11-pound bags. They're priced at $14.95. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $11.95. Alright guys, thank you all so much for coming by and hanging out with me for a little bit today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, that is it for me for now, but like I said, I will be uploading a good deals and glitch list video here in the next couple of days, so be on the lookout for that. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.